What is up, everybody? I'm here at the marina. This is where I'm going to be staying tonight. Oh yeah! Check-in isn't until 6 o'clock. So yeah, I'll head out there probably about 5 minutes till 6, and then take a small tour of the boat and see what it's like and see how big it is and all that stuff. Behind me is like a, I wouldn't say a botanical garden, but it's just like a nature garden there. These trees behind me seem really old. I don't even know how old they are. Okay, I just got a tour of the marina, and I'm going to go ahead and settle in a little bit, and I'll give you guys a tour of the boat itself. I'm in the boat, and there's fans in here, so it's not that hot. It's a little humid outside, especially when we're on the water, but it's okay. This is the view from inside the boat, and there is a little cooler out there where you can keep your ice and cold beverages. There's pots and pans. There's a heater, cushions, soap, towels, shampoo for a shower, and looks like master controls, you know, like that boat in the movie Jaws. The table, now this table, oops, this table section here also converts into a bed, just like a camper. This remote here is for the lights. Yep. Oh, and they change colors, just like my Jeep LEDs. Oh, that's pretty cool. Around the marina to see where the additional restrooms are and the showers. And I'm gonna see if I can also grab a bite to eat. Back in the boat, got some food. I got a burger and fries. The burger is really good. And yeah, I did some exploring. As you guys saw, awesome footage of the marina. It's a pretty cool place. And yeah, there's a live band, there's live music out there and all that good stuff. There's a bunch of ducks, and you can actually see the fish come up on the surface of the water and compete with the ducks with the food that people throw in the water for them. There is a storm approaching. It's gonna hit, I think, at 1 a.m. in the morning, so I'm gonna cover the top here. It just goes forward, and then it's like a shell that goes over the top part of it, and it covers it and protects it from the rainwater. And then there's boards that you shimmy up on the front, in the front doorway. So yeah, I think I'll be okay. I'm changing shirts because the other shirt I had on it was just too much. Yes, I do have a tattoo, and it's a shark. I feel so much better now in this shirt. It looks like I'm going to call it a night, and I'm going to watch a movie and go to bed. And I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, well, everything is closed up in here, and see, I've got the roof on. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna head out. And yeah, so it's just been a relaxing trip, and I hope you guys enjoy the scenery. And as always, remember, Rome